Easy with it. Don't rip it too hard. Can you get it?
Yeah.
Alright, you gotta read it.
Ooh, that's the elves.
Turn it around, let me see. Oh, okay. Alright, can you read it?
Dear Kitty, ho ho ho, Merry Christmas. My elves have been working hard to make all kinds of wonderful toys for you. And other children are really enjoying.
Spell it.
ENJOY.
Enjoy.
Enjoy all of the fun of getting really ready for Christmas. My reindeer have been planning reindeer games and
Spell it.
PRACTI.
Practicing.
Practicing for this year's fight. I can't believe how much you have grown and that you are 6 years old now. I hear you have been doing well in school and set a good example for your class to be a
Spell it.
librarian, to be a librarian and teacher. You know? Remember to pick up your toys each day. Mom will like that.
Darn.
I hope that you have a wonderful Christmas this year. Love, North Pole.
Wow. How do you feel? So he knows that you want to be a librarian and a teacher.
Let me toss in the back.